Okay, this is recording 2 of test review notes. I'm only going to do 3 more example problems on here, and then you can start your worksheet for the day. So if you see a problem like this on the test, P equals 2L plus 2W. Remember, this is a literal equation because it has more than one variable. And it tells you to solve for W. Or let's say it tells you what is the equation that will calculate W. It means the same thing. Equation that will calculate W. That means solve for W. So we're going to draw our line. And we're going to do C do. Because we want to know what's happening with W and do the opposite. So what is happening with the W? It's being multiplied by 2. And this is a positive, so they added the 2L. So we go from the bottom up. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to subtract 2L. So this one we got to get rid of it. Minus 2L minus 2L. So it can cancel. These two are not the same, so you just read it and you write it. That's P minus 2L. So you're going to write P minus 2L equals, bring down the 2W. The last step is to divide by 2. So divide by 2 so it can cancel, and divide by 2 the whole thing over here. That leaves you with W equals this whole thing. So this could be an answer. So just look at the answer choices and see if that's what it gives you. If not, it's probably going to go ahead and reduce it more, where it'll divide this one by 2 and divide this one by 2. If you divide 1 by 2, that's 1/2 P. If you divide negative 2 by 2, that's negative 1 L. So it could give you either one of these 2 answers. They're both the same. Example 2. What if it gives you the equation P equal T parentheses 2 plus MN, and it tells you to solve for T, or if it tells you give me the equation that will calculate T, same thing, you're going to do C do. Now I know you see parentheses here, right? And I know you really want to distribute. We're not going to distribute. You are going to ask yourself what is happening to the T. So what is happening to the T is being multiplied by this whole thing. Okay, it's being multiplied by 2 plus MN. So what are you going to do? You're going to do the opposite, which is to divide by the whole thing, 2 plus MN. So we're going to divide by 2 plus MN so it can cancel. The other side too, divide by 2 plus MN, and then that'll be your answer. So T equals P all over 2 plus MN. And you would look for that as the answer. Okay, it's pretty easy. If you see multiplication, you just divide. And the last one, I just want to show it to you so you don't say that you've never seen this before. If you see 2x parentheses negative 6x plus 4, okay, no equation, no equal sign, all you are doing is distributing. That is it. That is all you're going to do. So you're going to multiply the numbers. You have 2 times negative 6 in the calculator. That gives you negative 12. How many x's do you see? You see 2 x's. So you're not just going to put 1 x here. You're going to say that this is 2 x's by putting a square. So So again, x times x is x squared. And I know you haven't seen it before, but it's going to be on the test. And then you're going to distribute the 2 times 4. 2 times 4 is 8. Right? But this one has an x, this one doesn't. So how many x's do you see? You see one x. So this one has 2 x's because there was 2 x's. And this one has 1 x because there was only this 1 x. And this one didn't have an x. And that would be the answer that you would be looking for on the test. Okay? I want you to do the worksheet from today. I'm going to leave some examples for that. I need you to practice. Do half on the front and half of the problems on the back.